Good morning, yeah. Just walking to work, or walking to site. Don't talk over a busy road. Yeah, I'll never get tired of views like that. We've got the moon there. I don't know if the camera's picking up, it's just behind the tree, but as I drove down the road here and then parked up, you see the crane with the moon above it. It was amazing. Yes, good morning. I'll get into site, I'll log in, say that I'm here, I'm ready to go, get the generator going, get the crane warmed up, and I'll see you in a minute. Crane crazy. Right, let's go for a climb. It's pretty slippy. So I've actually got you on a wrist mount, so I hope that's alright, because basically bought a kit. Whoa, I nearly slipped then. Basically bought a kit from Amazon, one of those cheap ones for about 30 quid, and it's terrible. It's got some mounts so I can stick to the hard hat, but there's no actual 3mm sticky bits with it, so I can't use those. Oh, beautiful morning. It's cold. Oh, sorry about the angles. So yeah, that's 2 sections up. So each section has a ladder run. In the middle, there's no harness. You're not got to fall off here. There's handrails and things all the way around, so you're pretty safe. Let's stop off and have a breather for a bit. I've never been good in the mornings. I really haven't. Even at school, I'll be late for school. I'm not late. It's quarter to 8, or nearly 10 to 8. We can't start too early because we've got neighbours around. There's houses around, so can't make any noise on a building site between certain times. Normally after before 6 o'clock, after 8 and before 6. So yeah, I've got 3 more of these to go. Just getting the angles right, but it is a slow process for me anyway. Oh, especially where there's ice actually on the runs and the sides, so there's ice all up this, and you can make it snow. Awesome. The lads are starting, the bricklayers are starting. They've got running water today, so I'll be giving them some water so they can lay the bricks. We've done quite a lot, and I think it's 4 weeks I've been here now. So I've just done the hatch. It's just down there in the corner. If I can come up, there's a padlock on that. And no, it's not 1, 2, 3, 4. I promise. Oh, so the views are getting better as well. Oh. I've got 1 more to go, and then I'm in the seat for the best part of 9 hours. Yeah, the bricklayers always start early. Some of them are here like 40-50 minutes before they need to do anything. Oh, I'm getting too old for this. Oh. So watch your head around this bit, because it's really low. Oh, there you go. Oh, just a little bit to go. What's that been? 4 minutes. It was about 15, nearly 20 minutes, the longest time I've taken to climb a crane. But it's good for you breathing and your cardiovascular. Sorry if I talk nonsense half the time. But there'll be a lot of this. Climbing up cranes. This has been one take. Well, other than when I did the lock on the hatch. There's a few here. As I go through this slew motor, or the slew ring. See all the lads waiting for me down there. You'll have to hang on a minute. My cab will be frozen. So this is the slew ring. See all the bolts in the middle. This is the bit that makes the crane spin around, or slew for your technical geeks. Right, last bit. I just got to find my footing. Step up one bit, up to a ladder. Grab that bit, up a couple of bits. Grab another bit, up another bit. Put my foot on there. Do the slew brakes. And the other side. I've just got to be careful here because it can get really slippy, this bit. Where I put my foot. I'll turn you around. Foot. Oh, you can't see. Foot, yeah, foot down there. Oh. Turn the other brake off. Oh, down. I was like 6 minutes. Right, see you in the cab once it's demisted. Yeah, let's look at the site. Amazing. Good morning. Hope you enjoyed that climbing video. Yeah, I'm in the seat now. I'm here. I'm perched. I'm in my nest for the next 9 hours now. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. It was basically an unedited, other than me going through the hatch, climb of the crane in one go, sort of, without taking breaks. So yeah, you can see how long it takes for me to get up a crane. If I obviously go up a taller crane in the near future on another job, you know, it take longer, and we might even get different. Well, we'll be getting different views, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm just basically just sitting here for a while now until we get told what to do or what to lift. It's obviously going to be bricks or blocks or something like that. So yeah, the company I'm working for is McCarthy Stone. So their logo will probably be appearing up here somewhere if I haven't already shown you. So yeah, McCarthy Stone. Go check them out on the old internet, the old Google. Because it actually shows you some of the projects that they've got going on. I knew about this job like last year. So yeah, that's how deep you can get into being a crane driver or just working on construction in general. You know, you find out about these things if you've got an interest and a passion. You don't hear a lot of boys, I mean, obviously on Facebook and that. I've got a lot of people sort of my age that have got young kids now, and other than my uncles, 3 lads, they've all got a trade. They've all doing really well. I think one of them's actually gone over to Australia to work as a bricklayer. I don't really see a lot on Facebook of someone's child wanting to become a bricklayer or a plumber or a crane driver or a dumper truck driver. There's so much scope in the construction industry, especially right now. You know, I've had it in the hard times when we had the recession 13 years ago. I'll forget the date. I'll probably have to Google it. In fact, I could probably do that on my phone right now, but I can't be bothered. So yeah, whenever the last big recession was, obviously I was living up in Morecambe at the time, and I was travelling around. I've worked all over the country. I really have, building stuff like this. So yeah, McCarthy Stone, one of the well, there's a few. I think there's Red Hill, I think, or Churchill Construction. I won't bother putting their thing up there because I'm not on one of their sites yet. So yeah, so what we're doing, I'll put the plan on the screen. There you go. so you can see the plan. So yeah, basically you can see it's a 1 story and a few sections, 2 stories and a couple of sections. It's got to have a nice pitched roof on it with tiles and slates and stuff, and yeah, it'll look amazing. So it look really nice. It really will for you know, for people that are getting to that stage where they're families and they want to downsize and sell a house. They can get one of these really nice apartments. If you go on the website McCarthy Stone, it'll probably be down here somewhere, or in the link in the video description. But just go and have a look. I'm not trying to sell it or anything, but yeah, they generally look really nice. I've actually come up with a couple of ideas for stuff. I don't understand. Well, I do understand, because I can't be asked, or something else happens. But yeah, I thought of the amount of thousands. In fact, I'll get my phone out. It's still in my pocket. I can't believe I haven't put my phone down yet. But I'll tell you how many pictures are on my phone of just random days out and working on building sites. And yeah, do you want to know? Like, there's all sorts. In fact, there's 207 pictures on my phone which are just thumbnails. Not your thumbnail, your actual thumbnail, but thumbnails for logos and things like that for me, for my YouTube channels, mainly the Coaster Crazy channel. If you haven't subscribed to that, go check it out, Coaster Crazy. Yeah, so actual overall pictures, 17,266. Right, see if anyone else can beat that. So it's down here. This is out the amount of pictures on my phone of just trains. Yeah, I was gonna say cranes, but yeah, trains came out instead. Trains, planes, everything. So yeah, most of it, to be honest, is already on Facebook, so you've probably seen that. But yeah, getting a nice picture done and taking it round to one of these McCarthy Stones that I've finished. I've worked in Didcot, Bovingdon, which was near Hemel Hempstead. That was quite nice. That was a nice, enjoyable job. And presenting them with a nice picture framed up, because I think some of the residents would love that. Also going around with the dog, see if Tilly goes alright with elderly people. At some point my dog and the fiance or whatever might or might not be in the vlog, so just bear with us as it's starting to progress. This channel, as of yet, I don't know how many subs, because as of yet, as I'm recording this, the channel hasn't fully gone live. There's no videos on there, but you can subscribe if I haven't already uploaded this one. But anyway, that was my climb up in the morning. A little brief history about what I'm doing, the company that I'm working for. I will plug my own company at some point as well, who I'm working for directly. But there's a lot of scope in this industry. There really is. You can go self-employed and earn a ton of money, but then obviously you're paying your own taxes and insurance and stuff. I don't have to do that because I work for a company. It's there anyway. It's there anyway. It's there. I am getting some new t-shirts. I've got a YouTube one sorted so I can zoom out a little bit more when I'm talking, and just a standard high-vis orange one, so I could probably wear my own t-shirt, because this was when I worked at Heathrow, to be honest. So I've got a yellow t-shirt and yellow pants, both got the company logo and helmet and boots. That was a good job. Heathrow, yeah, if I could tell you some stuff about Heathrow. But yeah, I could show you some pictures of Heathrow at some point when I'm talking about that, and some of the projects I've been on around the UK. I've worked everywhere. So yeah, if you like cranes, talking about cranes, pictures like this one, I don't know, I'll insert one of my favourites just here somewhere. I don't know the space, but yeah, that's a nice picture. Stuff like that. Then subscribe, share, comment, like, do all that, and if it's not there, it's probably on this side somewhere, I don't know. Do that, and I'll probably see you in the next one, hopefully. But yeah, that's it for now. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for next time I upload another video, and remember, stay safe.